That's good. Let's have a look. That's much better. So again, you're just trying to block it out. Okay, good. Now I want you to duplicate it and then move it around so that you form the shape of the other fingers. Now at this point, to center your manipulators, go Modify, Center Pivot. There you go, and it does that for you. Excellent. Very good. So this means you can start sculpting fingers very quickly. So you can sculpt one, and you can get lots done very quickly. Now the thumb we'll come to soon. I think you've got 2 fingers there.
Yeah, I have, because I duplicated so. Oh, I have not hit. Modify center pivot, please.
And then,
there we go.
Yeah, there you are. That's good. Probably best to scale that uniformly. Excellent. Okay, and then just move it around. Okay, so we'll come to the thumb shortly. But you've got some nice fingers blocked out there. Now, let's have a look at it, what it looks like from the side. Yeah, you're going to have to do some, so you're going to have to do some adjusting there. That's better. And then all you do is you simply move them around one by one. At this point, I would work in both front and side view, so you can see which fingers you're moving around. So you've got the main finger. That's the little one. Yep.
Should I
Not yet. Not yet. Just lay them out. Just lay them out for now. Because there's going to be a lot. This is one of those. Yeah, that's fine. What you're doing there. Good. Excellent. That's a lot better. Okay, good. So now, what I'll do is I want to quickly show you how to do the wrist area.
okay. Back to screen sharing for you? Or?
Yep, that would be good. Thank you.